Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually change your email address inside of Teamviewer. So basically, in order to change your email address, you have to go pretty simply to your Teamviewer account. So let's go to Teamviewer and let's open it. So just like so, and let's open it real quick. Here, let's click on open. And it will be open in a couple seconds. So right after you open the Teamviewer, they will show you to sign in. Right after that, like if you have an account already, that's good. That means you have already an account in it. If you don't have, basically how you can actually make an account in Teamviewer, it is pretty simple. Click on sign in, and then if you don't have an account already, click on sign up. So here what you have to do is pick a name for your PC. Here you choose a name or an email address, and here your password. So for example, let's try this out, which is, let's make me an account. So it's gonna be something like that, something around that, gmail.com, and here we're gonna use our password. So it's gonna be something like that. And where is my mouse exactly? Alright, and here we're gonna try the same thing. So here something like that, and we are good to go. So now let's click on next. The enter password is not identical, so let's try it again. And here, so let's do like that, and boom. I think that will work. So alright, and here we go. So now how you can actually change your email address, basically you just click in here. So after you click in here, you go to edit accounts. So let's go back and edit accounts, and basically it is pretty simple. You just go here to your email and you change it. That's how you can actually change your email in Teamviewer, guys. So yeah, that was it, and thank you guys a lot for watching. Bye bye.